Ready to upgrade your space with furniture that's actually smart and seriously comfortable? These hidden Amazon finds are designed to make your home feel better, look better, and work better without the usual hassle. From relaxing setups to clever space-saving designs, they're way too good to stay unnoticed. Check the links in the description to find them all. Forget booking a massage appointment ever again. This full-body massage chair brings the spa straight into your living room, and then some. It works from your neck all the way down to your thighs and calves, with 36 airbags hugging every part of your body to melt away tension. Built-in heat therapy on your waist and shoulders boosts circulation, so you're not just relaxed, you're actually recovering. And here's the wildest part. It syncs its rhythm to whatever music you're playing through the built-in speakers, turning every session into a full sensory escape. Some chairs just sit there. This one actually hugs you back. The gently curved back wraps around you, while high-density foam and premium leather make every sit feel like a reward. The solid metal frame holds up to 350 pounds, so it's built to last as long as you need it. It fits anywhere, a living room, bedroom, home office, you name it. And it takes just 15 minutes to put together, so the comfort kicks in fast. Summer just called, and it wants you in this pool. This inflatable pool is shaped like a giant sofa, so you're not just cooling off, you're lounging in style. It's made from tough PVC that holds its shape and handles the fun without springing a leak. Blow it up, fill it with water, and your backyard instantly becomes the best party spot on the block. It's perfect for kids, adults, and anyone who just needs a ridiculous amount of fun on a hot day. Your chair shouldn't limit where you look. This one spins a full 360 degrees, so you're always facing exactly where you want to be. Whether you're working, chatting, or just kicking back, a quick swivel puts you in the perfect position without getting up. Wide padded armrests take the pressure off your shoulders, while the curved backrest follows the natural shape of your spine. High-density foam keeps its bounce long-term, so it stays just as comfortable years down the line. It's the kind of chair that quietly makes everything a little easier. New parents, this one's for you. This electric baby swing keeps your little one calm and cozy with 5 adjustable sway speeds, so you can find the exact rhythm that works for your baby. A built-in lullaby player with Bluetooth means you can stream any song straight from your phone. The 5-point safety harness holds baby securely in place, and the soft cushion is removable and machine washable for easy cleanup. It runs on batteries or plugged in, so you can use it anywhere the baby goes. A TV that fits in a briefcase sounds like something out of a spy movie, but here it is. This portable 27-inch smart TV goes wherever you go, running on a built-in battery so you don't need a wall outlet. The full HD screen with Dolby Vision keeps the picture sharp and vibrant whether you're indoors or out, and Dolby Atmos delivers sound that actually fills the room. It's a proper smart TV too. Stream your favorite apps, browse channels, all from a touchscreen you can angle however you like. Camp, travel, backyard movie night, this thing handles it all. Guest coming over? Your living room just got an extra seat in minutes. This inflatable lounge chair blows up fast and comes with a matching ottoman so you can fully kick your feet up. The velvety flocked surface feels surprisingly cozy, nothing like the plasticky inflatables you're used to. There's even a built-in cup holder, so your drink is always within reach. When the fun's over, deflate it and fold it down to almost nothing for storage or travel. Your bedroom just found its hardest working piece of furniture. This clever 3-in-1 table is a vanity, a desk, and a nightstand all at once, without taking up any extra space. The mirror flips open to reveal an LED-lit vanity with touch-controlled lighting in warm, cool, and natural tones, so your makeup always looks right. Inside, you've got dual drawers, a 9-grid organizer, and a hidden pull-out shelf for everything else. The padded stool tucks away neatly underneath when you're done, leaving the whole thing looking like a sleek, minimal nightstand. Cold feet at your desk? Not anymore. This compact foot warmer sits quietly under your desk and wraps your feet and legs in gentle 360-degree heat. No noise, no fan, just warmth. It runs on just 150 watts, so it won't spike your electricity bill while keeping you cozy through long work sessions. You control the temperature and set a timer right from the digital display on top. When the workday's done, it folds flat and tucks into its own storage bag, out of sight until you need it again. 2 problems solved with 1 stunning piece of furniture. This TV stand fits screens up to 80 inches and comes with a built-in electric fireplace that actually heats your room, pumping out enough warmth to take the chill off any living space. You get 12 flame colors, 12 backlight colors, and 5 brightness levels, all controlled by remote, so the ambiance changes with your mood. 2 side cabinets and open shelves keep your gaming gear, books, and remotes neatly out of sight. It's the kind of centerpiece that makes your whole living room look intentional. Bad posture has met its match. This kneeling chair shifts your weight between your hips and knees, naturally straightening your spine without you having to think about it. A gentle rocking motion keeps you from getting stiff during long work sessions, so you stay comfortable and focused. The seat height adjusts to fit most standard desks, and the thick cushions hold their shape even after hours of use. It also doubles as a meditation or cross-legged chair, versatile enough for however you like to sit. No sleeping bag on hard ground here. This folding camp cot sets up in 10 seconds flat and gives you a proper elevated bed wherever you are, camping, hiking, or crashing at a friend's place. The heavy-duty steel frame holds up to 450 pounds, so it's built for real adults, not just kids at a sleepover. A thick cushion comes attached, so there's nothing extra to pack or forget. A built-in side pocket keeps your phone and water within arm's reach through the night. Part chair, part yoga prop, part nap spot. This one does it all. This curved foam chaise lounge follows the natural shape of your body, making it perfect for stretching, light exercise, or just melting into after a long day. The wide side platform doubles as a footrest or a spot to rest your laptop and books, so you never have to reach far. It's upholstered in breathable linen fabric that looks as good as it feels. And the best part, it comes vacuum-packed with 0 assembly required. Just unbox and let it expand. 2 cats, 1 trip, 0 stress. This rolling pet carrier fits 2 small pets in separate compartments, so everyone has their own space on the way to the vet or on travel day. 4 smooth spinner wheels and an adjustable handle mean you're rolling it effortlessly through airports, malls, and streets. No heavy lifting required. 5 mesh windows keep both pets cool, calm, and able to see what's going on. Side pockets hold bowls, toys, and even a poop bag holder, so everything you need is right there when you need it. Your outdoor daybed deserves better than a faded, worn-out cushion cover. This replacement cover slips right over your existing cushion with elastic bands that hold it snugly in place. No slipping, no bunching. The thick polyester fabric blocks dust, allergens, and UV rays, so your cushion stays protected and looking fresh season after season. Spills wipe clean easily, and when it needs a deeper wash, the whole cover comes off in seconds. A simple, affordable upgrade that makes your outdoor setup look brand new again. The end of your bed has been wasted space for too long. This oval Sherpa Ottoman gives you a soft place to sit while you put your shoes on, a footrest for movie nights, and hidden storage for blankets and clutter, all in one piece. The lift-off lid reveals a spacious compartment that swallows up everything you want out of sight. Non-slip pads on each leg protect your floors and keep it firmly in place. It takes about 5 minutes to assemble and instantly makes any room look more put together. One chair, 3 jobs, and it switches between them in seconds. Sit up, recline, or fold it flat into a full bed whenever a guest needs a place to crash. The linen fabric and clean modern look mean it doesn't scream spare furniture. It actually belongs in your living room. A reinforced metal and wood frame holds up to 400 pounds, so it handles daily use without wobbling or sagging. Compact enough for apartments and dorms, it replaces a chair, a recliner, and a guest bed all in one footprint. Everything you reach for during a movie night, finally in one spot. This sofa caddy clips onto your armrest and gives you a self-balancing cup holder, a snack compartment, phone stand, and storage for remotes, all within arm's reach. The gyroscope cup holder keeps your drink upright even on a saggy or uneven couch, so spills stay where they belong, not on your cushions. A built-in USB-C port connects to a power bank inside, keeping your devices charged without any cords snaking across the sofa. It works just as well in a car, RV, or even a jacuzzi, wherever you like to kick back. Salon-quality pedicures at home just got a whole lot easier. This footrest holds your foot at the perfect angle, so you can paint your nails without hunching over or contorting yourself into uncomfortable positions. A built-in LED magnifier lights up the details so you never miss a spot, and a small drying fan helps your polish set faster. Non-slip legs keep it firmly in place on any surface, and built-in storage keeps your tools right where you need them. It's a small gadget that makes a surprisingly big difference to your at-home routine. No built-in bathtub? No problem. This foldable soaking tub sets up in 30 seconds and gives you a full spa bath anywhere, your bathroom, bedroom, or even a campsite. It holds water temperature for over an hour, so you can actually relax without the water going cold halfway through. A lid with cutouts lets you use your phone or laptop freely while you soak. No more boring bath time. Massage rollers on the bottom work your feet while you unwind. And when you're done, it folds down to just 9 inches thin and slides under the bed or behind a door. Some chairs just sit there. This one lets you float. This macrame hammock chair hangs from any sturdy ceiling or beam and turns any corner of your home into the coziest spot in the house. The overstuffed cotton cushion wraps around you like a cloud, while the hand-knotted rope netting is soft against your skin and built to hold its shape for years. It weighs just 8.6 pounds, so you can take it down, pack it up, and bring it to the porch, balcony, or backyard whenever the mood strikes. Simple to hang, impossible to get out of. Your bed just became your favorite armchair. This reading pillow props you up with firm back support and 2 angled armrests, so you can sit in bed for hours without your back or shoulders complaining. A built-in cup holder and side pockets keep your drink, phone, and remote right where you need them. No more fumbling around the sheets. The cover zips off and goes straight in the washing machine, making cleanup effortless. It's just as at home on a sofa, dorm floor, or gaming chair. Wherever you need a comfortable backrest, this goes with you. Your dog has been right all along. Their bed is better. This human-sized dog bed is big enough for a full-grown adult to curl up in, complete with a cozy hooded cave that wraps around you like a warm hug. Soft, plush fabric and PP cotton stuffing make it genuinely nap-worthy, not just a novelty. Cute bunny ear details give it a playful look that actually adds charm to any room. Share it with your pet or claim it entirely for yourself. Either way, no one's judging. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.